Basically, utilizing smart technology allows companies to become more competitive. This is the 5G robot's second demo, called Demo-2B. We are one of the partners who have delivered technology into the project. What we've created in this demo shows a smart factory and how it can run smoothly. Everything can be reconfigured on the fly or be configured from bottom up within few minutes. That has never been seen before. Smart production has a number of benefits, from decreasing costs to increasing production and throughput and creating transparency in production. But smart production is difficult. It's not easy. The combination of robotics and digitalization requires skills, it requires investments, it requires high-level competencies to master this complexity. Making that easy and easy to install and apply is one of the aims. When creating smart factories, you have to connect a lot of different equipment and systems and make them operate as one connected system that runs autonomously or as smooth as possible. For this, we applied technology and 5G communication in an industrial setting, connecting everything from a cloud edge, down to the production floor, and connecting it with a high-level control and integration system that makes the complete factory to a smart factory. At the edge cloud, different parts of software are running. There's a high-level control system that orchestrates the complete smart factory. There's also a fleet management system that controls the autonomous mobile robot fleet. The high-level control system communicates and integrates all equipment at the factory floor. It allows a kind of a hardware abstraction layer to be created, making the whole factory operate as one connected machine. Communication to each machine is created via a standard interface where we try to standardize production cells and fleet management interfaces. This should allow different kinds of equipment from different vendors to be used in the factories in the future. The next step in the project, we will expand on what we've reached now. It will become more advanced, it will become more intelligent, easier to set up. And then we will move from the lab into industrial application. With 5G robots, smart production becomes a reality, and the promise of Industry 4.0 of plug-and-play automation is becoming real.